Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Klarna not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you should be doing here to fix this issue. Now first thing that you could do here is check for any updates on the Klarna mobile application. So in this case, go ahead and go to Google Play Store here and search for Klarna and see if there are any updates. So sometimes our mobile application will not be automatically updated if you don't frequently use it. So updating the application on Google Play Store would probably solve this issue. But if that's not the case, the next thing that we could do here is clear a few settings on the Klarna app. So in this case, go ahead and locate the Klarna mobile application and press and hold on it, and you want to go to app info. Now under app info, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says clear data and go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you want to click on the clear cache option, and from here just click on OK and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.